Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Dharmendra from SIIT. Today, we are going to learn about management. What exactly management is. So, let me share my screen with you here. So, management concepts and practice. This will be our subject and introduction and its function we are going to learn today. So, before we start, let's talk about what is management. So the process of achieving company's goal effectively and efficiently by engaging in four major functions, that is planning, organizing, leading, and controlling of company's resources. So whenever we have a task for a organization, so we use these functions: planning, how we will do that, how the whole scenario we plan, then we accordingly we organize, mean the roles distribution, what, who will do what and when, someone will be lead for that, so we will appoint some personals for controlling these things, and these are the things which we use in management functioning. So we should know about the resources as well. So when we say management is like how to use resources effectively, so we should know what are the resources are. So human could be a resource or employees, financial resource, bank balance, loans, investment, shareholder, physical resources, machinery, inventory, and nowadays most effective resource is information. So you can see in this picture: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. So how we will use these functions of management for effective use of these resources is what management is. So what are the company's goals? So every company set a particular goal for a particular time. Maybe, for example, a company sets a goal to launch a new product in the next 5 years. So how it will be possible? Who will do that? Who will organize that? Who will lead it? And definitely we need controlling as well. So this is how management works. So top management decides the objective, or they analyze the goals of organization. uh, Process of management, how these functions work, what will be the steps, who will do what for achieving goals. So the manager, if you talk about manager, we classified in different categories: human resources, as I was talking about process, financial resources, physical resources, and information resources. So these are the resources which we are going to use for achieving our organization goal in a particular sequence, in a particular order. Uh, when we when we have a managerial functioning, or we have a complete organization, then we have to be very careful about managerial level, like to whom we are talking, who will be responsible, who is authorized. So even management will be categorized in different levels called top management, middle management, and financial or frontline management. In the top management, you will say the board of directors, CEO, president, owners of organization. In middle management, branch managers, departmental head, and in the front line, you can say uh, supervisors and team leader will be your manager or immediate boss, you can say. So this is the hierarchy of manager or managerial level in particular dimensions. So if we go in deep, uh, managers at the level are ultimately responsible for the following. So at what stage you are, like if you are in top management, so you will be responsible for making long-term plans, establish policies, uh, represent the companies. Like if you have some summit or inter-organizational meetings, then you will be responsible. You are going to present. Similarly, if you are from middle management, then you are going to have a different role to play. Like they develop detailed plan and procedure to implement goals, make directions, make decisions, uh, direct first level managers. For example, sales manager develop a new plan, advertising advertising campaign for one of the company's product in order to achieve 10% sales growth in next year. So they set a goal for the company. Frontline management, the the uh, the low management, you can say, they implement plan. They are responsible for implementing plan. They guide salesmen or the lower employees for implementing the plans which top management decides or they gave. They assist middle management as well. So what if they ask something, reports or some details, if they can support overseas workers or day-to-day operations they deal. So this is all about the basics of management. So in the next class we will learn more in detail. Thank you so much. Take care.